Morning, Varunda. Last class we can discuss about bones, the two types of bones. Here, in these types of bones, last class I said spongy bones and compact bones. Today we can go for the structure of compact bones. Compact bones. In the structure of the compact bones, now suppose this is a long shaft part that is called as a diaphysis. This expandable part is called as a epiphysis. Between epiphysis and diaphysis, here this part is called as a metaphysis. Metaphysis is the growth zone bone. Growth zone bone. They having a epiphyseal plates. They having what? Epiphyseal plate. In our body, the growth hormones is releases. This growth hormone can stimulate the metaphysis. At the time, the bone is elongated and growth is takes place. And in adult condition, here they can epiphyseal plates will be closed. Epiphyseal plates are closed. For suppose when this growth zone, it means growth hormone after adult condition, means after 18 years, when it is stimulated, at that time the growth is takes place. At that time they can lead to a disorder that is called as a acromegaly. The disorder is called as what? Acromegaly. It means this condition we can discuss in the second year level. Now see, this outer fibrous connective tissue is called as a periosteum. I already said periosteum, and this is called as a bone marrow. This marrow cavity is lined by a connective tissue that is called as a endosteum. Endosteum. Now between periosteum and endosteum, they are having a matrix and it is filled with a lamellae. What is lamellae means? A thin layer of a thin bony layers. That thin bony layers is called as a lamellae. Now we have to think this one is the periosteum. This one is the endosteum. Between periosteum and endosteum, they having a lamellae is present, a thin layer membrane that is called as a lamellae. Now this one is the bone marrow. Bone marrow. Okay. Now the lamellae present towards the periosteum, that is called as a outer circumferential lamellae. Outer circumferential lamellae. The lamellae is present towards the endosteum, that is inner circumferential lamellae. Between outer circumferential lamellae and inner circumferential lamellae, they are having a Haversian system. Haversian system. What is Haversian system? The Haversian system having a Haversian canal. Haversian canal. It is a bony units. It is what? Bony units. Now see, the Haversian system having what? Haversian canal. This one is the Haversian canal. Haversian canal. the Haversian canal is surrounded by lamellae, that lamellae is called as a concentric lamellae, and the lamellae present between the Haversian canal, that lamellae is called as a interstitial lamellae. I said 4 types of lamellae. One lamellae is towards the periosteum, that is the outer circumferential lamellae. Towards the endosteum, that is called as a inner circumferential lamellae. The lamellae can surround the Haversian canal, that is called as a concentric lamellae. Between the canals, that it will be called as a interstitial lamellae. Now here, this is enclosed with fluid filled cavity. That fluid filled cavity is called as a lacunae. Called as what? Lacunae. From there, a canal is arranges, that is called as a canaculi. That is what? Canaculi. Canaculi is a connection between the one lacunae with another lacunae. Now here, this is ostium, or bony unit. That's why the bony unit, ostium or Haversian canal, is surrounded with fluid filled cavity, that is the lacunae, and also they having a canaculi. What is canaculi means? Canaculi is the interconnection between the one lacunae with another lacunae, and one Haversian canal with another Haversian canal. Here the Haversian canal, it is a cell, they having a cytoplasm. Now this cytoplasm is extended into the canaculi. Now here, the Haversian system indicates they having water, Haversian canal, and they having a lacunae, and they having a lamellae, combinedly called as a Haversian system. That's why Haversian system having a Haversian canal, fluid filled cavity, that is called as a lacunae, and also they having a lamellae, that will be combined called as what type of system? Haversian system. Now this Haversian system is connected with the periosteum or connected with the bone marrow by a canal. That canal is called as a Waxman's canal. That canal is called what? Waxman's canal. Through Waxman's canal only diffusion of the gases and the supplying of blood takes place. Now here, the composition of the bone, that is the compact bone. The composition of the compact bones, they having a inorganic material and also they having a organic material. Inorganic material consists of a 65% and organic material consists of a 35%. This inorganic material consists of a calcium and phosphates, and organic material they can consist of a collagen fibers. When age will be increases, this proportion will be changes. That is regarding to the bones. And tomorrow class we can discuss about the fluid connective tissue, that is about blood.